Welcome to the Vans Laces installation tutorial. You're one step closer to shoelace freedom. Let's start by opening your bag of Vans laces. Each pack of Vans comes with 10 laces per shoe, varying from size 1 to 7, with an extra size 4, 5, and 6 in case you need more stretch. Remove the old laces from the shoes you are installing Vans laces in. Insert smaller size Vans laces into the eyelets at the front of the shoe. And work your way up to larger Vans sizes towards the top of the shoe. To install a lace, insert one side of the lace's hook into the eyelet and pull the entire hook through. Repeat for each lace until both shoes are fully laced. Slip your shoes on and make sure they are snug and comfortable with Vans laces. You may need to adjust the lace sizing depending on your foot size or type of shoe. Congratulations! You're laced up and ready to go with Vans laces.